Welcome everybody, Chris Brewer, Facilities Director for Williston School District number 7. We have some equipment no longer needed by the district. We're looking to auction off to the public. It's all woodworking equipment that's coming out of the old high school, back before it was the Basin. Brief walkthrough, we've got a Jut dust collector right here. We do have a table saw with a nice outfeed table on it. Around the corner, we've got a belt sander. We've got a planer. We've got a joiner. Over here, we've got a router table, another router table. We've got another belt sander. We've got a bandsaw right here. Over on the other side, we've got a full-size lathe, and we do have a downdraft table as well. Also, along with the woodworking equipment, we have for sale an international dump truck that has a plow attachment, as well as a sand spreader on the back.
Join Chris to view the items in person on either Friday, October 3rd or Saturday, October 4th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at our district warehouse at 507 1st Street East.
All items are now up for bid. If you follow the link, it will give you instructions on how to bid. We'll do what we can to answer any questions. Good luck, good bidding. Thank you. Have a great day.